Hey guys, this is Greg Alexander, and I'm so excited. This weekend we get to be home. We're going to be singing at the First Church of God in Morristown, Tennessee at 11 a.m. this coming Sunday morning, February 22nd. Right down on Economy Drive. We want you to come and be with us. We're going to have a great time in the Lord with other folks there, and we're excited when we get to go there each year. And we pray that you come and be with us this Sunday, 11 a.m., Morristown, First Church of God on Economy Drive in Morristown, Tennessee. Come be with us.
We're glad you are here. Let us worship Him in one accord. King of kings and Lord of lords, His presence in this place, our hope.